Yes. Now, I have already talked to you about the Roche-Low. Remember? So, this is what is happening. A white dwarf, you can consider it like that. A white dwarf is accreting matter from a companion binary star which has undergone red giant phase. And during this phenomena, it has got its Roche-Low, remember? And when this escapes the Roche-Low, you can think of it like that, then the matter which escapes, it is being accreted into the white dwarf. Now, see what can happen. Let me now focus only on the accreted matter. Now I will focus on the accreted matter. Suppose this is the white dwarf. The matter is being accreted after the formation of an accretion disk like that. Now, if it so happens that the matter, after falling onto the surface of the white dwarf is what? Degenerate.
Yes.
Degenerate electron. Yes, you can think of it like that. But it has also got protons and neutrons and all that stuff. Now, there is a possibility that the accreted matter forms a very thin layer on the top of the white dwarf and it undergoes a runaway nuclear reaction. Remember, I talked to you about the helium flash phenomenon through the video last lecture. So what will happen? There will be no pressure check. Pressure will not depend on the temperature. Okay, and as a result, the temperature will rise exponentially, very fast. There will be no pressure check. So it will keep on increasing. Now what will happen as a result of increasing pressure? More and more burning phases will start. First hydrogen, then helium, then carbon, oxygen. আমি আগে দিন বললাম না ওই জিনিসটা প্রেসার আর ডেনসিটি এই যে রিলেশনশিপ গুলো ডিজেনারেট ম্যাটারে কি রকম থাকে গামার ভ্যালু তোমার 4/3 আর 5/3 remember there is no temperature dependence over here. This is for the non-relativistic case, this is for the relativistic case. No temperature. So there is a possibility for a runaway thermonuclear reaction. Now, when this so happens that the accretion is happening on a very thin layer of matter above the white dwarf, then because of the runaway nuclear reaction, some matter of the white dwarf, the one I have shaded, they will just explode away. But a substantial part of white dwarf will still remain there. This is called nova. Okay, this is called nova. খাবার খাচ্ছে কিছুটা খেলো খেয়ে বমি করে দিল এমন বমি করলো ভেতর থেকেও আরো শরীরের পার্টটা বেরিয়ে গেল think of it like that. Okay, now there is another possibility which you must be thinking right now, and what is that? That possibility is what happens if the white dwarf, this white dwarf undergoing nova has much less than the Chandrasekhar mass limit, 1.2 solar mass. ওর থেকে অনেক কম. Suppose the mass of the white dwarf is near that limit. What will happen? What happens is that the runaway nuclear reaction will happen in the entire white dwarf. And you just can't imagine. We have been living for so many years on Earth, but this thing can happen in a matter of minutes. This entire thing, up to oxygen, it can happen. And as a result of that, huge energy will be released. And what will happen is, this entire thing will explode. This is called supernova. And this supernova is called thermonuclear supernova. Thermonuclear supernova. So I have given to you the concept of nova and thermonuclear supernova. Now there is another way through which a thermonuclear supernova can happen. And what is that? This time let me replace this companion star undergoing the red giant phase by yet another white dwarf. And how do we do that? So basically we have a companion star more or less equal masses and they evolved in the same way. And after long time what will happen? They will suppose they both become white dwarfs. Now because of solar wind or even because of the gravitational wave emission, there will be some loss of angular momentum and they will come closer to each other. And as a result, the white dwarf which has got slightly bigger mass, it will start eating away, accreting the other white dwarf, and you will get a similar phenomenon, thermonuclear supernova. So thermonuclear supernova can happen through the red giant eating away and also the eating away of a smaller white dwarf, or you can say white dwarf colliding together.
Sir,